Now we are moving ahead. These all are also a heat treatment process, but it is a advanced heat treatment techniques. Okay, that I mean, so far we have discussed that is a conventional, that is a very common, right? And that is a very conventional, and we were using since a very old age, right? But now these techniques are the advanced techniques. Okay, due to the technologies that we are having, due to that we have gone to the next level of our heat treatment process. Okay, so first one is Austempering. Austempering means what? What is the process? They quench the steel to the temperature above the martensite. Okay, it is start temperatures. I mean, wherever the martensite starts, we need to go above that temperature. So martensite start temperature is having a set temperature of a steel. If you will go with the iron carbon diagram, then you can easily see the temperature ranges. Okay, we just need to quench a temperature above the quenching with what? We just need to provide the heat to the system, to the steel above the martensite start temperature, and then we need to, you know, drop into the water or oil or very high speed and low temperature air. Okay, any of them we can use to make them cool. Okay, and hold to form of the bainite. So here what we are getting, bainite is being uh, produced. Okay, what the benefit? The benefit is improve the toughness and reduce the distortions compared to that of the conventional quenching. So what is the conventional quenching? I mean the hardening was that we are here, improve the toughness. What I would made that during the quenching or hardening, we were getting the material which were having less toughness, okay, and high brittleness. But here by this process we can do we can have high toughness or the toughness gets improved. Okay, and reduce the distortion. Distortion is what? I mean, the damages. Okay, sometimes so that is being restored in this particular process as compared to the conventional quenching process. Application springs, high strength components. So in springs and high strength components where it is being used. Okay,